Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create an iPhone image effect on Higgsfield AI. And if this is your first time of hearing about it, you can literally create any image effect with this particular AI website. You can also create video effects, or also you can create Superman effects, you can create Thor's effects, even light, ghost, translucent, any kind of effects. Higgsfield AI can actually create it for you. So in this video, we are going to be creating the iPhone effect. All you have to do is to log into your account on the website, go to Higgsfield, so scroll and choose the iPhone effect area here, and then you'll be brought to a page like this where you can see natural effects here. Even though I'm wondering, because you can just use your phone to snap yourself, but if you do not have a an iPhone, you can actually just create an image like this. Or someone like me, I can actually just create an image like this, because I mean, the images are really good. So you can just create, uh, click on the one you love or like, and then click on recreate. So once you recreate, you'll be taken to a page like this where you can actually describe what you want to recreate here, and then select the ratio that will be appealing or will be best for your project. Then select the quality you want. Either you want it in high or you want it in the basic format. The high format uses two credits for generation, while the basic format uses a single credit for generation. So it all depends on you, because 6 actually gives you 5 credits per day. So it means you can generate between 2 and 5 images or videos per day. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about the video, and also if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel because it really helps us grow. We'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.